Every Wednesday, in the wake of the brightest sun, kissing the city of Chennai, our BNI Kings chapter members gather with all smiles and enthusiasm to exchange business referrals. Over the weeks, after having a historic launch in the month of August, Kings chapter is continuing to grow bigger and stronger as a team. BNI Kings is one such chapter to have eminent entrepreneurs from various business domains, which in turn proves to be place for stronger and genuine business referrals. Welcome to the Kings.
It gives immense pleasure to be a part of this entrepreneur forum, where a system plays a role of a director, we all play a role of actors, and business comes as a superhit blockbuster. Thank you, BNI Kings.
BNI Kings, though divided by different product vertical members, but united we are as Team Kings, while giving quality referrals for the business growth of both members and chapter on the whole to live up to Givers Gain philosophy. Thank you, BNI Kings.
BNI embodies the spirit of Givers Gain. At BNI Kings, you learn how and what you gain. It's not just business, it's a whole new way of life. Welcome to BNI Kings.
We at BNI Kings are an amalgamation of aspiring entrepreneurs, each aiming at professional success, but all of us driving in unison towards one common mission, and that is transforming lives. Thank you, BNI Kings.
As a support editor of BNI Kings, I am very proud to be a part of BNI Kings chapter. Here we have a lot of dynamic businessmen part of Kings chapter. So come join Kings and grow your business and create history.
As a BNI Kings member, inspired by the philosophy Givers Gain, we use the BNI system that provides tools and techniques which help us match our behavior to our values of integrity, excellence, service, reliability and generosity. Thank you, BNI Kings.
BNI Kings is an example of how creative teamwork builds wealth. This is a vibrant community of businesses who rely on another and every one of us benefit. Thank you, BNI Kings.
I'm the proud chapter director for BNI Kings. In just 2 months since the official launch, BNI Kings has grown rapidly and is the fastest growing chapter in the region. We are moving towards becoming the platinum chapter. Thanks, BNI Kings.
As a visitor to BNI Kings, I realized the power of collective, organized and disciplined talent promotion. I have tapped land promoters, builders, interior decorator, office automation provider, and also a photographer and event coordinator to facilitate a great launch of my business. I am planning to start my next innings with a startup of my new business of organic farming. I found BNI Kings chapter to be the virtual market where one can get an opportunity to fulfill his dreams. Thank you, BNI Kings.
BNI Kings chapter was launched with a historic 1.65 crores of business. 3 reasons why we could achieve this was BNI has a foolproof system to provide a perfect launchpad for business entrepreneurs. Flourishing enterprises can concentrate on their goals since BNI provides direction, visibility and controls to reach their goals. Finally, BNI takes away the stigma that business can never be a fair play. Thank you, BNI. Thank you, BNI Kings.
So far, since its historic launch in the month of August, BNI Kings have been progressing dramatically. The following statistics are the reasons for why one should join BNI Kings. More than 300 referrals passed so far. Over 109 visitors have attended and continuing to attend BNI Kings chapter meet. Total of 2,471,763 rupees of thank you notes passed till date.
We are Kings. We create history. We transform lives. Welcome to Kings.